My name is Xavier Clark. I'm a PhD candidate in the Department of Communication. I'm originally from Austin, Texas, but I live in Arlington, Virginia, and commute to campus. Mason makes me feel included because from administrators to students to faculty, they really care about the student themselves and make sure that we have a space that we feel not just included in the sense of the word, but actually the experience we're having here at Mason. An example I can give of inclusion on campus would be the LGBTQ Resource Center, making sure that queer students have a space to go and feel seen and where they feel safe also. So that is a main place I see that on campus. Every year during LGBTQ Pride Week, they have a trivia, and I got to teach a lot of the history and help with the trivia game that we did, but also get to understand the Resource Center, but at a deeper level, which was a really cool experience. Coming to Mason, there was a big focus on diversity in my programming. My department focuses on organizational communication, and diversity has always been actually a pillar of that work. So I have gotten to work with some of the leading scholars in DEIA to show how organizations can transform, become better, and understand systems and structures around us, especially in academia. I think the thing that stands out when you come onto the Mason campus is a sense of community. That it is not just you coming to a school for 4 years or 8 years or 6 years to get a degree, but you're a part of something larger than yourself. And I think when you go to other universities, you're just sometimes a number. And when I came to Mason, I realized Xavier's story was a part of Mason, which led me to be more a part of the community. In my experience as a patriot, what makes Masons different is the students. It's a very student-first culture rather than an academia-first culture. And what I mean by that is the students drive the academics. The academics don't just drive the student. And I think we've been able to do that here at Mason. Students walk away with a better understanding of their education and how to apply it rather than just trying to get a degree at the end of the day.